Hello Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Capricorn, LUCK, napakaganda. A sudden change of luck is likely. Things are working in your favor. Excellent time for networking. Ayan, napakaganda. Kasi yung networking na to, baka related ito sa friendships. Maaring you're going to build new friendships. Baka sa negosyo din. No? Mas marami kayo ngayon siguro makikilalang kasosyo, makikilalang magiging clients ninyo, yung ganon. At saka, maswerte kayo ngayon, no? Merong pagbabago ng swerte sa ngayon at magiging ang lahat nang gagawin niyo siguro ay mababalot na ng swerte, everything will work in your favor. So, this is such a huge blessing. We have positive work outcomes, consistent efforts will bring rewards, and a major purchase is worth making. Ayan. So, meron ditong pag-remind sa inyo na kapag mag-hard work kayo, sa kung ano man ang trabaho ninyo, magsisipag kayo, magtsatsaga, magpe-persevere, you will be rewarded talaga, no? At maaari din ang iba sa inyo dito, Capricorn, is going to have a big purchase, major purchase, baka may bibili ng bahay, bibili ng building, bibili ng property, yung ganon, ano? What else? We have love. Love is in the air, a great time for commitment and taking relationships to the next level. Ayan, so, meron dito mga magpapakasal na, mag-aasawa na, tawag dito, mai-engage na, or papasok, no, sa bagong love connection, love relationship. So, tignan natin kung ano pa ang ganap dito for Capricorn. We have Page of Wands, Capricorn. There's good news coming your way. May magandang balitang paparating that could be related to your talents, to your gifts, no? At baka yan ay linked sa trabaho or sa isang business venture wherein magagamit ninyo yung inyong creativity. So, you're going to explore sa ngayon, your talents and your gifts. Maaari din na meron ditong tawag dito mga gagawin kayo, siguro may mga invitation for you dito to explore mga bagong lugar, mga ganon, at kayo ay may travel ako napipick up dito for some of you, so maybe you're really going to somewhere at this is going to excite you a lot, no? We have King of Swords in reverse. Ayan, so this is parang manipulative energy. So Capricorn, baka kayo ay minamanipulate ng ibang tao, baka kayo ay sunod-sunuran, baka kayo ay parang hindi siguro kayo binibigyan ng pagkakataon na maging kayo, no? Yung hindi ninyo na-express yung sarili ninyo, hindi ninyo, yung pinipigilan kayo, you're being held back by someone, no? At kung ano yung gusto niya or gusto nila, yun ang nasusunod, something like that, no, Capricorn? So, what else? Tingnan natin kung ano pa ang ganap. We have Chariot. Ayan, so this is moving on energy, Capricorn. So, siguro ang iba siguro sa inyo dito, merong panggagalingang challenging situation, mahirap, nagka-problema, and siguro mapagtatagumpayan ninyo yan sa ngayon, ano? You're heading towards a success, kaya sa tagumpay na to, or yung tagumpay na to is going to open up new doors para sa sarili ninyo. Meron mga bagong opportunities, possibilities na bubungad sa inyo sa ngayon. So, which is really beautiful. Kasi, nahaharap kayo sa tagumpay, sa bagong tagumpay. Kaya, maraming pagbabago ang maaaring maganap sa buhay ninyo. Kasi, parang kung ano man yung pagbabagong ito, merong ito yung parang chain reaction siya. Hindi lang isa ang area na magbabago, kundi marami pa itong maaapektuhan din, na parte ng buhay ninyo. Queen of Swords in reverse, Queen of Swords upright. Ayan, so you're going to be very realistic sa ngayon, Capricorn. So, which is really good, 'di ba? Merong honesty dito, merong transparency. You're going to be truthful, you're going to be realistic. So, which is really good that maaring isa ito. Yung parang prangka, no? In other words, ang iba siguro sa inyo dito is magiging prangka din, no? You're really going to speak your truth, no? Sasabihin ninyo kung ano nasa loob ninyo, nasa isip ninyo. You're going to communicate clearly and effectively. So, yung ganon. At maaaring yan magiging susi ninyo para sa inyong tagumpay, 'di ba? You will be appreciated by someone that you are dealing with kapag kaganon kayo. So, we have 3 of Wands. Ayan. So, dito naman, may mga bagong opportunities na paparating sa inyo dito and maybe that is what you're waiting for. Maaring yan na matagal na ninyong hinihintay, no? May mga bagong oportunidad dito and you're going to take advantage of that. And since this is good fortune energy, Capricorn, kaya siswertehin talaga kayo, no? Doble-doble yung swerte ninyo. Meron kayo dito, meron kayo doon. So, most likely lahat, no, na maaring bagay na gagawin ninyo, magkakaroon ng magandang resulta, no? So, dito rin, this is also travel energy. So, most likely talaga, may pagbabiyaheng gagawin si Capricorn. This could be a road trip, no? So, dito, travel din ito. So, it could be land travel, no? Ang napipick up ko for some of you. With this could be an international travel. So, by air, over water. So, depende sa inyong sitwasyon. And, swerte kayo talaga, no? Dito, you will enjoy success. You will have positive outcome. You will have prosperity and abundance na paparating dito. So, overall, ang swerte talaga ninyo. So, good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.